Now we are starting the demo for our 8051 microcontroller trainer kit. In this trainer kit we have these two kits. This is our main IC, which will be programmed from this board. We will be using this board for programming, and we will be using the supply from this board to connect to the other board for our main other experiments. Now coming to our CD, in which we have provided us a folder by the name of teaching software. In that you have a folder by the name of 8051. For understanding and learning, you can always go through these PDFs which we have provided. For our development software, we have provided you Keel, and this is a Keel advanced version. We have also provided FlashMagic. FlashMagic is used for other purposes, but for here we will be using Prog ISP for 8051. Prog ISP is the main program which does not require any installation. You can simply open Prog ISP by clicking on it. It does not require any type of installation. So first I will tell you about the installations. To write a new program or open an old program, you will need the Keel. For installing Keel, you simply have to go to 410 MDK. That is our compressed setup for Keel Microvision, which has been already explained in the last video. Our video for LPC 2148, we have explained how to install Keel Microvision. And Prog ISP, the program which is used for downloading the program from PC to our kit, does not require any installation. It is a simple program which you have to copy and paste, and you have to use just this icon. This is our shortcut for Prog ISP. For this programming, you will be needing the printer type D cable, which we have provided, connected to the computer and to our trainer kit through this port. As soon as you connect it, the power LED will glow, irrespective if you have connected or turned the kit on. So I am turning the kit on. As soon as I turn the kit on, all the LEDs will glow, indicating that all the supplies are coming, and our other installation board will also turn on. So to program it, you have to connect the D-type connector cable to this point, and for IC, you just have to place the IC in the socket. Make sure that all the pins are coming inside, and for programming you have to keep the switch towards normal. And now in the program, always select the IC from the drop down menu. We are always using 89S51. Make sure chip erase, program flash and verify flash are ticked. After that, go to load flash. In my piece, we already have that on our teaching software. Go to 8051 CN hex files. You can simply go to hex files. We'll first go for LCD. We'll just simply press auto, and this is the indication that everything is working fine. It will start programming, and the Prog ISP icon is also lit up, so we know that the programmer has been connected. Once the process is complete, it will show you ready. Now you have to transport the IC from the socket to our programmer board, and in the programmer board, as per the manual, you have to make two connections for LCD. Every connection which I am making here right now is mentioned in the manual. This connector CPU 1 8 goes to CPU 3, and CPU 2 goes to. Now even in this, if you want to use reset, use it in the left position, that is the PRG. Press reset. After making connections, make sure that the intensity and the LED brightness are tuned properly, because if the intensity is too low, it will show you dots. If the intensity is too high, it will show you blank. So make sure the intensity is tuned right through this potentiometer. So this is our LCD program. Now we'll start with the other program. Now we'll go for LED matrix program. For that we'll go for bar LED program. We'll program that. It is programmed. It's a very small program. We'll place our IC from the programming socket to the main socket. Now we'll make the connections. These connections are also mentioned in the manual. So this is our bar LED program, and the connections are very simple. Port 0 and port 2 are used to initiate the bar LED. Now we are loading the program for 7 segment display, that is our SSD. We'll press auto. It is a very small program. It is done in a matter of 1 second. After that we'll port our IC from the programmer board to the main board. Now in the main board we'll make the connections. It is also written here very clearly in every connector, like this one goes to port 2. This is our port 2. You can see it here. Port 2 0 to 2.7, and this one is written port 0. It is mentioned here, port 0. Port 0 goes to port 0. Now you can see that there is no display here. There is a reason for that. Then you will have to connect this power cable to this section. Only then it will show you 1, 2, 3 and 4. This coding is as 1, 2, 3, 4 is as per our coding. If we change that, we can change it to anything that we desire. But all the connections in the 7 segment are port 0 to port 0, port 2 to port 2, and the power cable has to be connected.